13:02 on today's the 4th of September 2017. Day the kids go back to school. I remember saying the same thing at the beach in Belgium 5 years ago after leaving this trade fair. And you know, it's always sad to leave Caravan Salon, and this is what the place looks like on the very last day. I had a meeting this morning, so I had to go on my bicycle and went up to another campsite, which is over there, about 6 kilometers from here. And it doesn't make so much noise there, so if you want a place a bit quiet, you could go there. Obviously you gotta take you half an hour or so to get in the morning on your bike. And it's in summer, so usually the weather is quite good. I mean, it has rained in the past. I suppose over a 10-day event you've got to expect it to rain at least on one day. So I'm parked here. Now, first I came in and it was quite a lot of vehicles. And you see, when I bought this electrical cable that I've got down here, I thought, what do I need an electric cable that long for? Well, now I found out. I think it's the first time I've had it out as a maximum length, but you can see how long the cable is. We'll go in the van, we'll have a quick look around. It's in a bit of a mess, so don't tell anyone you saw it. Well, I'm about to leave, but lots of the stuff here is stuff I picked up at the event. So you got these bags, Mechatronic, Truma, Thule, Adria, and this one here, Competence. Can't remember what it said now. Competence Träger. Oh, it's a magazine. So I picked up these bags are full of stuff I picked up. I'm looking down there towards the front. I've got my cameras charging, so that's why I'm using my mobile phone at the moment. Camera's a bit delicate about where it gets charged from, and yeah, it's a very short lead cable, so I have to put it in those boxes. And I got my clothes back there. And I was doing something with the computer this morning, and okay, I was cleaning the place up as well. You see, I didn't do a very good job of cleaning it up, but got some more stuff in there, including a bottle of wine, although the wine is being brought back for a friend of mine, and even my identity card is now on the floor. There we go. Hanging space, more hanging space, and washroom. So it's now about time to leave, and so I'll be on my way. But I've had a very good time here. So let's now get ready to go.